Hello everyone สวัสดีค่ะ Hi guys you are with me Tisha Today I would like to teach you basic calculus I'm going to teach you about trigonometry that link with calculus Okay if you ready let's go together
Looks so good, yeah, looks so sweet. Baby, you deserve a treat. Diamonds on my wrist, so we call me ice cream. You could double dip, cause I know you like me. Ice cream, chillin', chillin', ice cream, chillin'. Ice cream, chillin', chillin', ice cream, chillin'. I know that my heart can be so cold, but I'm sweet, but you can put me in a cone.
To recap super quick do you remember our triangle Okay, let me draw it. Alright. Right angle and this one if I give it theta. The side that opposite theta we call opposite. The one that next to the theta adjacent. And the one that opposite the right angle we call hypotenuse. And then you need to remember our sine cos tan. Okay. Sine theta, sine equals opposite over hypotenuse. Please remember that this one you can find more detail about unit circle that link with circular function in another video clip that I make for you. I'm going to insert the link here as well. We continue the next one, cos theta. Do you remember that one sine is opposite over hypotenuse? Cos is adjacent over hypotenuse. And tan theta equals opposite over adjacent. The next step that you need to know and we're going to apply all of this knowledge in our question is sine cosec. If we talk about cosec is 1 over sine. Cos sec equals 1 over cos theta cos and opposite with tan or we call cot equals 1 over tan. Remember all of these one. We're going to apply all of this rule in our question soon. Okay, I give you all the frame here. Right? Does this make sense? We're going to apply all of these rules sine cosec, cos sec, tan cot in our question soon. So you need to understand all the rules. Next one that you need to know as well is tan theta. Or they could say tan x or whatever is equal tan equal sine divided by cos. Okay, that makes sense. I'm going to give you the frame here as well. Another one that you're going to see all the time is tan x equal, actually it's the same formula, tan x equal sine x divided by cos x. Oh, good job as well. Okay, I put a frame here for you, super quick. And another one important as well, you need to know that sine x squared plus cos x squared equals 1. Okay, I put another frame here for you. For all of these formula, sine cosec, cosec, tan cos, and tan x equals sine x over cos x, and another one, sine x squared plus cos x squared equal 1. You need to understand all of them, and we're going to apply them in our question right now. How about we apply all the rule here. I'm going to write down our rule super quick here. Let's go together step by step. Okay. Which one that we just learned? Okay, now we know that sine cosec. We know that cosec equals 1 over sine. Yeah. Cosec x equals 1 over sine x. Sine cosec cos sec equals 1 over cos x and okay that's it that we're going to apply. Can you see something? We can see that sec is here as well. So basically we're going to apply this rule. Generally speaking, we're going to apply this rule sec equal 1 over cos x. Go to the next one. If we have done them correct, the answer have to be 1 plus sine x divided by cos x squared. Alright, from here, what I know from here, I know that. Can you help me please? I know that sec equals 1 over cos x. So of course, sec x squared equal 1 divided by cos x squared. Does it make sense, huh? Go to the next one. We plus sec x. Okay, I forget to put x here. Sec x, I know that sec x equal 1 over cos x. So, I would like to put the bracket here super quick. Okay, sec x here equals 1 over cos x. Okay, I write down here 1 divided by cos x and time with tan x. We just learned another formula. Do you remember this one? Okay, I'm going to apply this rule here. Yeah, apply in here. So another one about tan. Let's put here. Tan x. We learned them already. Tan x equals sine x divided by cos x. Let me put the frame here for you again. So from here, tan x equals sine x divided by cos x. Okay, I write down here sine x divided by cos x. Oh, so I know from this one I have 1 over cos x squared plus here, and from here I know that, okay, of course 1 times sine x is sine x, cos x times cos x is cos x squared. Oh, can you see something? We have the same denominator right now, yeah? Does it make sense? So from here I have the same denominator. Yes, I know, obviously. 1 over cos x squared plus sine x over cos x squared. I see it, same denominator. It is cos x squared. And then I have 1 plus sine x. It is 1 plus sine x. We're going to prove it that it's equal. Let's see it's equal or not. 1 plus sine x over cos x squared. Yes, it is. So now is our answer. From question number 1, we proved already that all of these terms equals 1 plus sine x divided by cos x squared. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this answer and then match it. Okay guys, do you remember from question number 1, it equals this one. 1 plus sine x divided by cos x, yeah? We just prove it. We just put them together that all of this one equals 1 plus sine x. We just prove them together and we know that all of this one equal 1 plus sine x divided by cos x squared. So what does it mean? I'm going to prove that 1 plus sine x divided by cos x squared equals this one, huh? Oops. Equal 1 divided by 1 minus sine x. Again, how we know that sec x squared plus sec x tan x equals 1 plus sine x divided by cos x squared, because it comes from question number 1, yeah, that we just prove it. Let's do the solution here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put the rules and formula to you. What I'm going to do is I'm going to show the rules and formula and you're going to apply them with me step by step, alright? Again, guys, we're going to prove that this guy, all of these terms equal this one, yeah? We're going to prove it. How? First, I'm going to apply this rule. Do you remember that I just taught you? Sin x squared plus cos x squared equal 1. Okay, apply this rule first. I'm going to write down here. Alright, it's the rules, our rules. Okay, so if I would like to link with cos x squared here, I'm going to apply this rule here. So my cos x squared equals, okay, what I do, I just move sin x squared to another side of the equation. So it's turned to be my cos x squared equals 1 minus sin x squared. Yep. Okay. So from here I have 1 plus sin x, 1 plus sin x. Divided by, because cos x squared equals 1 minus sin x squared. So I'm going to write out 1 minus sin x squared. Don't forget that you have square here. Okay? Put here square. Can you see something from here? Do you remember our rule? A squared minus b squared equals to bracket a minus b times a plus b. And again, I'm going to put the frame here for you. We're going to apply this one here, this rule. But the point, can you see something? 1 minus sin x squared is similar with... Okay guys, what I'm going to do for you, I'm going to do step by step. I want you to understand them clearly. Okay. Can you see something? 1 minus sin x squared actually is similar with 1 squared minus sin x squared. So it's linked with a squared minus b squared. Okay, let me write down here for you properly. So it's equals 1 minus sin x and all of them divided by... Let me see. Can you see something is similar like two brackets, yeah? 1 is A, sin x is B. So it's going to be like this. 1 minus sin x, bracket 1, yeah? A minus B, times with A plus B. So 1 plus sin x. Whoa! Oh, great. Can you see something here? 1 plus sin x, yeah? 1 plus sin x divided by 1 minus sin x times 1 plus sin x. You can cut something from here, yeah? You can cut them. 1 plus sin x divided by 1 plus sin x is 1. So now your answer, you got the answer already straight away. So your answer equals 1 divided by 1 minus sin x. And this one is your answer. Let's see that we have done correct or not. Go up here. Go up here. 1 divided by 1 minus sin x. And that's it. We have done correct. Good job. From here you can see that 1 plus sin x divided by cos x squared, which is mean all of these one, the term above, is equals 1 divided by 1 minus sin x. And we have proof already that this one is correct. You can see from the answer here. That's it. Finally, we finished the video. I hope you enjoy and understand the concept. If you would like to follow me, you can follow me both Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram. I see you next video. See you. สวัสดีค่ะ Bye.
Love so good, yeah, love so sweet. Baby, you deserve a treat. Diamonds on my wrist, so we call me ice cream. You could double dip, cause I know you like me. Ice cream, chillin', chillin', ice cream, chillin'. Ice cream, chillin', chillin', ice cream, chillin'. I know that my heart can be so cold, but I'm sweet, but you can put me in a cone. Love so good, yeah, love so sweet. Baby, you deserve a treat. Diamonds on my wrist, so we call me ice cream. You could double dip, cause I know you like me. Ice cream, chillin', chillin', ice cream, chillin'. Ice cream, chillin', chillin', ice cream, chillin'. I know that my heart can be so cold, but I'm sweet, but you can put me in a cone.